Welcome back. Big Brother Naija is barely underway, but season 11 has already delivered one of its first viral moments. This time, it wasn't a heated argument over choice or an emotional nomination. Instead, it was an unexpected language controversy. A simple task assigned by Big Brother turned into confusion, laughter, and frustration after one contestant's British accent and English delivery left several housemates struggling to understand what she was saying.
Wait, can you guys not hear the English, or you guys, or am I talking too fast? Okay, who's talking? So, who can talk in Nigerian? Actually, no. Slow down. Okay, I'll be slow. You need to speak in Yoruba for you guys to
Explain what she read.
Oh, she was explaining.
Yes, I was about to.
She was summarizing. Okay, I'll speak slowly for you guys. Welcome once again to the Big Brother house. No. At the first night, often become the challenges for housemates to get acquaintance. What do you guys not understand about English? Well, guess what? I'm the one who needs to read it. Okay, I'll speak slowly for you guys, because clearly you guys are dyslexic or something. I will speak slowly. I'll speak slowly. But guess what? They said I should do it.
She's going to read.
Like, what's wrong with you? What is so hard about understanding English? Can you sit down and let me talk? Exactly, that's it. So why is he still talking?
Read it. Why you guys round up by everything?
Probably was. Like, sit down. There's no way that you guys do not understand English like this. Are you guys children? Hello.
The exchange has since sparked debate online about communication, accents, and whether speaking English fluently necessarily means everyone will understand you. The drama unfolded on the opening day of Big Brother Naija season 11, themed Show Yourself. As part of the house routine, Big Brother instructed that one housemate should proceed to the diary room to collect the weekly guidelines and relay them to the rest of the house. UK-based contestants Temi and Nkem quickly volunteered for the responsibility and returned with the written instructions, ready to read them aloud to her fellow contestants. However, what appeared to be a straightforward assignment quickly became an unexpected challenge. As Temi and Nkem began reading the instructions, several housemates appeared confused by her pronunciation and delivery. Instead of following the guidelines, many repeatedly asked her to repeat herself, while others admitted that they could not clearly understand what she was saying. The misunderstanding immediately disrupted the exercise and transformed an ordinary briefing into one of the first memorable moments of the new season. As the confusion continued, Temi and Nkem became visibly frustrated, believing she was speaking clearly. She questioned why the others appeared unable to follow her.
Can you guys not hear the English, or you guys, or am I talking too fast? Okay, who's talking? So, who can talk in Nigerian?
In a moment that has since gone viral on social media, she exclaimed,
"There's no way that you guys do not understand English like this. Are you guys children?"
Her remarks immediately attracted mixed reactions, both inside and outside the house, with some viewers sympathizing with her frustration, while others felt she could have handled the situation more patiently. The incident quickly generated conversation across social media platforms, where viewers debated what had actually happened. Some argued that Temi and Nkem's British accent made it difficult for fellow contestants who were more familiar with Nigerian accents. Others insisted that communication is about ensuring the listener understands the message rather than simply speaking correct English. Many viewers also pointed out that different English accents can sometimes create barriers, even among native speakers. Nigerian is home to hundreds of languages and numerous variations of spoken English. Nigerian English has developed its own pronunciation, expressions, and rhyme over several decades. Likewise, people educated in the United Kingdom, the United States, or other English-speaking countries often return with accents that may sound unfamiliar to local audiences. While both forms remain valid, differences in pronunciation can occasionally create moments of misunderstanding, particularly in fast-paced conversation or unfamiliar environments. Big Brother Naija has always brought together contestants from diverse educational, cultural, and professional backgrounds. That diversity is one of the reasons the reality show continues to attract millions of viewers every season. Participants often enter the house with different personalities, communication styles, and life experiences, creating situations that naturally led to both entertaining and challenging interactions. The latest incident involving Temi and Nkem is another example of how those differences can become part of the show's appeal. Beyond the entertainment value, the episode also highlights the importance of effective communication. Speaking a language fluently is only one part of communication. The ability to adapt one's speech so that different audiences can easily understand is equally important. Whether in business, education, or everyday life, successful communication often requires adjusting pronunciation, pace to suit the people receiving the message. At the same time, it would be unfair to conclude that either side was entirely at fault. Temi and Nkem may genuinely have been reading naturally using the accents she acquired while living and studying in the United Kingdom. Likewise, the other housemates may genuinely have struggled to understand unfamiliar pronunciation in a noisy and highly emotional environment. Such misunderstandings are common whenever people from different linguistic backgrounds interact. Even when everyone is speaking the same language, the exchange also demonstrates why reality television continues to capture public attention. Small misunderstandings that might ordinarily pass unnoticed become major talking points because millions of viewers witness them in real time. Every conversation, facial expression, and emotional reaction can quickly become a viral content, generating discussions far beyond the walls of the Big Brother house. As the season progresses, viewers will be watching to see how relationships among the housemates evolve. Early disagreements and awkward moments often give way to stronger friendships, alliances, and mutual understandings as contestants spend more time together. It is also possible that the housemates will gradually become more familiar with Temi and Nkem's manner of speaking, reducing the communication challenges witnessed during the first day. The incident has already become one of the defining moments of Big Brother Naija Season 11's opening day. Whether remembered as a humorous misunderstanding or an important lesson about communication across different English accents, it has succeeded in getting viewers talking. In the world of reality television, moments that spark conversation often become the moments audiences remember the most. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you find this report informative, kindly like, share, and subscribe for more news reports. I'm Chidera Isom. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next reports.